Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to create Reddit communities, you come to the right place. So to do it is quite simple. You need to open your Reddit, and here you can see communities. Click on communities, and here click on three lines here in the top. Click on create a community. You need to write a community name. For example, I will just do it for video. Now we need to choose our community type. We can choose like public, restricted, or private. I will use public. And we need to choose, is our community safe for work? If not, we will turn it on. If it's safe, we can turn it off. And click on create community. Here you need to make your first post. For example, this video is really fun, and you need to write a body text. You can add images. For it you need to allow access to your image and videos. Click on next, click on post, and our first post in our community will be added. So now we need to we can add our descriptions, and also we can change our everything in our community, because we are the moderator of this correct community. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.